Hello, my lovelies, and it has finally arrived. Yes, we have the package, ladies and gentlemen, because this is the package that I ordered on the Friday that I've been telling you all about in an upcoming video that will be featuring on the channel soon. But this was delayed due to the bank holiday. For some apparent reason, May has constant bank holidays, as if we don't have enough. But anyway, it has finally arrived today. They said it was going to be coming between 7 and 7, which I thought was a really random time because the depot closes at 5, but anyway, they still delivered it, which is quite surprising. For some reason it doesn't come with my normal mail, it comes like in a separate van. But anyway, inside this package is a Disney theme painting, and it's one of my favourite all-time Disney movies. So let's take a look inside the package. I love doing that, just one tear of the strip. But, okay, so it's a rolled one. Is it going to be any good? I hope it's a lot better than some of the other paintings we've had, indeed. Oh yes! Look at this. I can tell this is going to be good, but this is Mufasa and Simba from The Lion King. And as you know, Hakuna Matata means no worries, but I love The Lion King. Clean? We've got the clingers. But yeah, I love The Lion King. I have a motto that's on my bedroom wall that says, Hakuna Matata, it means no worries, The Lion King. And it's like a peel back sticker thing that you put on. But I thought this was absolutely gorgeous. I have seen another one with Simba, Timon and Pumbaa. So I can't wait to get into that. This looks like a really bright one. So let's take a look inside the package. And this will form part of my Disney situation. It looks really lovely. Oh yeah, baby. This is around. Okay, we'll get to that in a minute because I want to see the picture. This is 30x40. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, do you know what? That is the bomb.com. They've really got that spot on. Oh wow. Yeah, this is impressive. Now, I paid $3.99 for this. It's got 22 colours in it. It is a 30x40 up there. What's really nice about this is it's got that lovely bright background at the top, and then you're blasted with this fiery red colour around the mane with a splashy yellow in. And they've even, look at that, how groovy is that? They've even done the eye line of his eyelid. That is incredible. So really, really good. You've got the whiskers here as well. Lovely colour block section down here. And then obviously some, he said Simone. We've got a lovely yellow up there, so we went blank there. And what I love about this as well, you've got that lovely dark piping of his inner ear there. This is going to be a really lovely painting. We've got some really good colour block sections up here, a nice big block there of colour blocking to do, our classic J colours. This is going to be absolutely gorgeous, and for $3.99 I'm so happy. So I'm really happy with this. I've been eagerly awaiting this since the bank holiday. We've also got our colour chart just over there as well, running down the side. I like to work with the one up the top, but let's take a look at the covers. It's all getting discombobulated tonight. I mean colours, not covers. But, oh mama, I can't wait to see that one. Okay, so in here we've got our standard boat. We've got a pen and a little jelly wax. We don't have any bags or tweezers in that one, or a squidgy. And let's look at the colours. This is going to be... Do you know what this is giving me a vibe of? It's giving me like a vibe that I'm standing in Covent Garden at the moment in London, and then waiting to go to the Lyceum Theatre to actually watch the production. Now, The Lion King has always been in the Lyceum Theatre for decades. It's never really moved out. Some production companies, like The Lion King, they will stay in there forever, and then some that are in the West End move on. It's just the way it is. But yeah, I watched it years ago, and there's like these little binoculars that sit in the back of the seat, and you put 50p in and releases the binoculars. Absolutely brilliant. But oh my god, look at that pink. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh mama, look at that. I get quite a lot of this colour. This is quite a popular colour, as you can see, because Mike and Ike, sorry, Mike and Sally, not Mike and Ike, I'm thinking of the American Sweets. That comes with that colour as well. So normally your 310 and the white colour crops up a lot, which is normally 22 is a 3865. But we've got oranges in there, we've got yellows. This is gorgeous. What colour's that? 19 is a 3770. That is absolutely stunning. I don't think I've ever used that before. I possibly may have in the swans that I've been doing, but oh wow, that colour's lovely. Oh, if I've got some spares of that, I will do upcycling on some of that. Some vibrant orange there, absolutely gorgeous. Now these have come out quite nice. As I said, with the clown painting that we had that horrible white stuff on the back, which I'm still debating whether to return or not. That's a slightly, that looks very similar to that, but it's a slightly darker pink there. Look at that. Tessa, there's your favourite colour, look, red. That's really vibrant. And then obviously classic, the fur colours for, it says Simon. Thinking of Simon now in the co-op. Simone. I've said it again. Why do I keep saying Simone? It's Simba, not Simone. And then, yeah, loads of different reds here. That's a lovely little red. And then black and this gorgeous, oh, this pink's lovely. Look at that. So we've actually got 3 shades of different pink here. That's absolutely gorgeous. See, I don't know if you've noticed, but the paintings are getting lower and lower and lower in cost. Like, when I very first started my painting journey, I was paying like £10 a painting, then it dropped down to £5, and now I'm finding more and more paintings that are like £3.99, which is really, really good. I will pay a little bit more if I really, really want it, but don't worry, these ones have not fell out the pack there for another painting, but if I really, really want it, I will pay a little bit extra, but I do like to keep it under the £5 mark and £5 maximum if I can. But yeah, look at that, absolutely fantastic. Now, I don't know how this will turn out, but this is definitely going to be started in the next couple of days. Obviously, you won't see it for a while yet because my Disney filming is currently in progress. So I'm thinking probably around about July time. But I really like this. This is absolutely gorgeous. What really draws me to this is the fact that the first thing I opened it was the detail. The print is so clear on this. Absolutely fantastic. I mean, Simba, they've got spot on. They really have nailed it on that. And then you just blast it with this red. I can't get over it. I'm really, really happy. $3.99, well spent, well worth the wait. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. If you want to become a ding dong and tap the bell, you'll be notified of all the videos I do. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. We also have the Amazon wish list. I know some of you like to buy me gifts. I do have, check out my sister channels in the channel, which is Diamond Paints with Mike, which is this one, Shopping Hauls with Mike, Crafts with Mike, and World with Mike. And then, what else haven't I covered? Facebook and Messenger and all that is really, really good. So that's on there as well. But, oh man, I absolutely love this. Now, on Friday, Temu arrived the Disney theme. I'm going to be doing 12 different diamond painting which are Disney themed. And I'm trying to hunt down Wally. So if anyone knows where you can get Wally, do let me know. But this is absolutely gorgeous. Please, please consider buying it. I really do highly recommend it. It was $3.99. The link's in the description. Remember that Amazon's prices do go up and down, so you may find that you pay a little extra, but I'm really happy with this. I really, really like it, and it's definitely made me want to get the Timon and Pumbaa, which is the Warthog and the Meerkat. But anyway, I must stop babbling on because I talk for Britain. Take care, have a lovely day, and we'll catch you later.